A group of Arizona families getting some good news today.
Yeah, this is good news because 1 week after their trip with the Make-A-Wish Foundation was suddenly cut short. This is all, of course, after Hurricane Ian hit Florida.
ABC 15's Cameron Pullum uplifting Arizona with a promise from the nonprofit's leaders.
It just was gut-wrenching, and I didn't want to tell them, but I knew that we had to tell them right away because we had to leave.
As Hurricane Ian barreled into southwest Florida, Stephanie Calkins' heart was breaking. Not only for those in its direct path, but for her son Henry, who was just 2 days into a trip with the Make-A-Wish Foundation.
That's right, Henry!
One that had been delayed for 2 years due to the pandemic.
It broke my heart because I truly wanted to see both my kids experience something so magical.
7-year-old Henry was born with a rare autoimmune disease that's forced him to spend much of his life in and out of the hospital. But when doctors approached Stephanie about a trip with the Make-A-Wish Foundation, the feeling of joy was hard to describe.
My heart was just exploding.
After being postponed for years, last week the family boarded a flight for Florida. The itinerary was to include visits to Disney World, Universal Studios, and a room at a resort specifically tailored to make children's dreams come true.
They make you feel at home, they make you feel understood, which, being a mom of a critically ill kid, is devastatingly hard and isolating. So you feel so much less alone.
2 days into the trip, Stephanie got the call while walking through Universal Studios. They needed to leave immediately. She and 3 other Arizona families were being evacuated due to the hurricane. Henry and his sister were devastated.
It is not a trip to Disney World the way you and I take a trip to Disney World. A Wish trip is extremely special, and they do everything they can to make it so.
Holly Costello with Make-A-Wish Arizona says the weather left them no choice but to protect the families. But many of them wondered if they'd ever get to come back. Costello assures us that's a top priority.
We started talking with Stephanie and her family right away about, what kind of dates will work. How can we get you there sooner?
That's why we got this one.
The sooner, the better, so that these children and their families can put aside their worries, if only for a short time. I'm Cameron Pullum, ABC 15, Arizona.